Berger, kindergartner from Dos Caminos. It is my pleasure to nominate Yvonne Berger for the Kiwanis Student of the Month for October. Yvonne is a great friend to all of her peers, and whether she knows a student well or not, she is friendly to everyone. In class, she puts forth a lot of effort in all of her work that she does, and she follows directions quickly, given by the teachers, and always follows the rules. Yvonne is the type of student who is a great role model for the rest of the boys and girls in class. Her enthusiasm is contagious, and she is always eager to please. It is for these reasons and many others that we feel she should be the Citizen of the Month. Congratulations. Our next student is fourth grader Marisol Moscoso from Golden Poppy. Marisol.